Welcome to our final presentation for the Industrial Information Systems course. This really regards the planning of the information system and its requirements. So let's start with the requirements. We developed the requirement specification document, in this case the user document. So the internet of the user must have a minimum speed of 24 megabytes per second. The size of the files he must upload can't exceed the 250 megabytes. He has to enable cookies. He has to have a bank account, of course, so in order to pay for the products, a valid email account so we can contact with him. He must be internet literate. Someone who can't use the internet, of course, can't use an internet business. And he has, of course, create an account with all the required data. Regarding the system specifications, we gotta have a speed of minimum 54 megabytes per second. We gotta have a load time of 5 seconds per page max, or else the user will find the website very complicated to use. We gotta have some security issues also. For example, antivirus program to verify the file so we don't have virus. Moderator to control the customer's feedback and recognize the validity of client's bank account number. Also, on the system, we gotta have ease of use. The software must be user friendly and obtain multi-language support. One of the most important features we found was the maintenance. We gotta verify the system every 4 hours, so that the business can work properly. We also have here some measures about the robustness of the platform. Now, regarding the project charter, we elaborated the project charter in order to summarize the project's main goals and to obtain a formal approval for the implementation of the project. A project charter usually has all of these topics right here. As you can see here, I would like to quickly show you our project charter. This is the template, the totally filled template, as you can see. On general information, we have, for example, project title, a brief project description, the project objectives, assumptions, and so on. I'm going to switch back to the PowerPoint so it can be. Here are presented the project objectives. The main objective to implement an internet business. As you already know, this internet business will make able to develop one-of-a-kind products through the use of 3D printing technology. So basically implement TDprint. With the implementation of the project, we want to earn recognition in this new technology growing market and consequently generate revenue. Because come on, everybody wants to earn money. Also, we have the objective that the project breaks even in a period of 2.5 years. So we believe we have this objective because we believe we can recuperate our financing in a period of 2.5 years. Regarding the assumptions, these assumptions must be validated to ensure that the project can run its course. So we need the project to be within legal conformity. We need the financing to be obtainable, and all the required resources, technological resources, to be possible to be obtained. So, regarding the project scope, we want to generate profit by responding to the growing trend of customization and freedom of development. We can achieve this by using the 3D printed products. We don't have to have major investments and physical establishments and personnel. That's why we chose an internet-based business. We want to be able to be in contact with the whole world anytime. Come on, internet business. Requirements that are specifically included from the scope are these. The products delivered will be done by external shipping companies. TDprint will not deliver the companies, but will make contracts with companies like FedEx or UPS. The development of software for the creation of CAD files. We won't develop any computer-aided design software. The clients will have to use their own software. And new technology will not be developed. There might be investment in new technology if necessary, but there won't be a development team of new technology. So here we present to you the project milestones. We have the milestones, their respective deliverables, and the date we believe they will happen. So the first milestone, the planning. We will have the business strategy and marketing strategy defined. Then physical structures will be established, for example, the rented warehouse and office. We'll have then the website launch, a fully functioning website with the required specifications, a database functioning with all the classes and the ability to gather data automatically from the website. Then we'll have the partnerships established, for example, the suppliers and the maintenance and the distributors. And finally, we'll have our first order. We hope to have this first order in the early October. Our impact statement. Here we have the potential impact of what will happen. So we're going to develop a new way to create one-of-a-kind products, and the unit's impact will be customers, of course. We have a faster and easier way to develop scale models, again, the customers. Faster and easier way to develop prototypes or engineers, again, the customers. The business growth that will affect TDprint, the suppliers and the shipping partners, and the competition growth. Now I'm going to list the primary measures so we can attain the success of the implementation of our projects. So we want no major budget changes to happen, no major schedule changes to happen. The break-even period must be close to the estimated 2.5 years. We want to provide client satisfaction. This is one of the most important features in any business. And of course, create trustworthy relationships with partners. This relates to distributors, suppliers, and employees. So regarding our conclusions, the requirement specification document, it provides an overview of the technical requirements that are necessary to acquire for the business platform to work with the desired effect. This can be as complex as we want, it can contain use cases, it can be extensive. We want to make a simple one with only the user, some of the user requirements and the system requirements. The project charter, it summarizes the project goals and objectives. Our project charter was very simple. We consider it to be a preliminary project charter because a real one should always have a WBS, a work breakdown structure, to obtain all the work necessary to the project to be obtained. A detailed scheduling, for example, through a Gantt chart or a Gantt map. A financial analysis in which we would calculate the net present value and the payback period we just estimated. And of course sales forecasting, so we can do a correct financial analysis. I hope you enjoyed our last presentation. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching.